New pearl color. Crystal iridescent Tahitian look pearl. Inspired by the rare saltwater pearls found in Tahiti, the iridescent Tahitian look pearl responds to the current trend for a natural, authentic aesthetic. It's a fresh update on the Tahitian look pearl, introducing a subtle iridescence with a more vibrant teal base and less gray. In essence, it's a soft and versatile shade that is suitable for all seasons. As a sustainable alternative to real pearls, the iridescent Tahitian look pearl enables luxurious designs at an affordable price. Select the asymmetric Baroque profile to achieve the completely organic look. Primarily for use in jewelry and accessories, it makes a stylish partner for crystal beads and pendants, while knitting, crochet, beading, threading, weaving, knotting, and wirework will also benefit from the luster of pearls.